I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace low-voltage battery Tesla Model 3 Easy Guide. First, park the car in park and disconnect the 12V system by removing the negative terminal cover. Use insulated tools and keep metal away from battery posts. Remove any nearby panels carefully and note screw locations for reassembly. If you feel unsure, stop and consult a professional to avoid damage or risk. Start by confirming the exact 12V battery specification for your Model 3 and acquiring the right replacement. Lay out insulated tools and a multimeter on a clean work surface to avoid lost fasteners. Remove interior trim gently with plastic prying tools to access the battery compartment and organize screws by panel. Work methodically and check voltage at each step to verify a safe and successful replacement. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long DIY sessions and fits cup holders perfectly, making long maintenance tasks easier and more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing the necessary trim to reach the battery compartment and keep fasteners labeled. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent shorting, then the positive, and unclip any harnesses attached to the battery. Swap in the new battery, reconnect positive then negative, and tighten to proper torque where specified. Reinstall panels and perform a voltage check and quick system boot to confirm normal operation before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.